Hey guys, so in this video today, we're going to take you through a workout with the foam roller. Whether it's a shorter one, whether it's a longer one, even one that has some of those nodules on it, the little bumps on it, this will still work with all of the different types of roller that are out. So from finding the initial alignment of the shoulder to the wrist, the shoulder square to the floor, and we're definitely not holding our breath to find that 4-point transition to 2-point. A tabletop position. From the tabletop position here, we've got several options that we can work into roller over both the tops of my knees. And difficulty can be progressed or regressed. What I mean by that is the aim is to keep as much of the control from the hips, the level of the spine, the shoulder position as we can,